Imagine a world where the next big power isn't oil, gold, or even weapons. It's algorithms. The race isn't happening on battlefields, but inside research labs, cloud servers, and the minds of the brightest engineers. This is the AI race, and winning it could define who leads the world in 2025 and beyond. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It decides what you watch, how your money moves, and even how governments prepare for the future. But beneath the convenience of smarter apps and personalized feeds, there's a fierce competition unfolding. Countries and corporations are battling for dominance because the stakes aren't just about technology. They're about power, influence, and survival in the digital age. Think of it as the space race of our century. Just as landing on the moon once symbolized global leadership, mastering AI signals who will control the next wave of innovation, shaping economies, industries, and even the values of society itself. Whoever leads in AI doesn't just win in tech, they win in culture, defense, and the future of work. But here's the real question. How do you actually win the AI race? What strategies separate super competitors from those who fall behind? And, most importantly, what can we as nations, companies, and individuals learn from this accelerating contest? In this video, we'll explore the hidden strategies, global players, and cultural shifts driving the AI revolution. We'll uncover the secrets of innovation, the balance between ethics and power, and how the outcome of this race could reshape your life more than you realize. So buckle up, because the race is already underway. And by 2025, the winners and the losers will be clear. Let's dive into the strategies shaping the future of AI supremacy. As we step into 2025, the AI race is no longer just hype. It's a full-scale global contest. And like any race, there are frontrunners, challengers, and those quietly trying to catch up. At the front are the United States and China. The U.S. continues to lead in cutting-edge research, with companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft pushing boundaries in large language models, robotics, and cloud AI services. Meanwhile, China is investing heavily in state-backed initiatives, aiming not just to match, but to surpass America's lead. From facial recognition to smart cities, Chinese AI is deeply integrated into daily life, supported by massive data sets and government funding. In the middle stands Europe. While it may not always dominate headlines with flashy breakthroughs, Europe is carving its role as the ethical regulator of AI. With strong emphasis on data privacy, transparency, and human rights, the European Union has positioned itself as the global referee, writing the rules others must play by. And then there are the startups. Agile, fast-moving, and unburdened by bureaucracy. They are often the source of unexpected breakthroughs, whether in healthcare diagnostics, AI-driven agriculture, or new creative tools for artists and musicians. Many of today's global giants once began as small teams with big ideas. The same could be true for the next generation of AI disruptors. But beyond the battle of nations and corporations, the real impact of AI is unfolding in industries you already interact with. Healthcare is being transformed by AI that can detect diseases earlier than doctors. Transportation is shifting as autonomous vehicles get closer to mainstream. Finance, retail, and even entertainment are becoming AI-powered, shaping what we buy, how we work, and how we relax. So, the stage is set. The frontrunners are clear, the challengers are rising, and the industries are being reshaped in real time. But in a race this important, talent and resources alone aren't enough. What really matters are the strategies that will define who takes the lead. So, how do you actually win the AI race in 2025? What separates the leaders from those falling behind? The answer isn't just money or technology. It's a combination of strategy, foresight, and execution. First, innovation and research are the backbone. Countries and companies investing in breakthrough technologies, like next-generation AI models, robotics, and quantum computing, gain an undeniable advantage. For example, teams developing AI that can process vast amounts of data in real time are unlocking capabilities in healthcare, climate modeling, and financial analysis that others can only dream of. Next, talent development is key. Winning the AI race requires nurturing engineers, data scientists, and AI ethicists. Nations and organizations that invest in education, mentorship, and international collaboration will cultivate the minds capable of solving tomorrow's challenges. Look at how the U.S. attracts global AI talent with universities, incubators, and research grants. This human capital often becomes the deciding factor in long-term dominance. Partnerships and collaborations are another cornerstone. No AI system can thrive in isolation. Governments partnering with private companies, corporations teaming up with startups, and cross-border collaborations on research not only accelerate development, but also spread risk and create resilience. Consider how AI in medicine has advanced faster through joint university-hospital industry projects, where knowledge and resources are shared efficiently. Real-world applications define whether AI innovations succeed. Theoretical breakthroughs are valuable, but the ability to deploy AI safely, ethically, and effectively in healthcare, transportation, or climate solutions is what separates leaders from followers. Companies like Tesla in autonomous vehicles and DeepMind in protein folding demonstrate that practical impact drives recognition, influence, and power. And finally, ethical leadership matters more than ever. Winning isn't only about building the smartest AI. It's about building AI that aligns with societal values, avoids bias, and is regulated responsibly. Nations or companies that ignore ethics risk public backlash, legal challenges, and even international sanctions. The AI race rewards not only technical mastery but also responsible stewardship. Taken together, innovation, talent, partnerships, practical applications, and ethical leadership form the roadmap to AI supremacy. But even the best strategies face hurdles. The race is high stakes, with obstacles ranging from geopolitical tensions to unexpected technological pitfalls. But winning the AI race isn't just about strategy and innovation. Every breakthrough comes with risks, and every advantage carries a potential downside. In 2025, the AI race is as much about navigating challenges as it is about building capability. One of the most pressing risks is economic disruption. As AI automates tasks from manufacturing to finance, millions of jobs face transformation or even elimination. Nations and companies that fail to manage this transition may face social unrest, talent shortages, and economic instability. Geopolitical tensions are another challenge. AI dominance can shift the balance of power between nations. Competition isn't limited to technology. It involves national security, trade, and influence over global standards. Missteps here could trigger conflicts or slow progress through regulatory gridlock. Ethical dilemmas loom large. AI systems can perpetuate bias, amplify misinformation, and affect millions of lives in unintended ways. The faster AI evolves, the harder it becomes to enforce fairness, accountability, and transparency. Companies or countries ignoring these responsibilities risk public backlash and legal consequences. Technological risks also exist. Even the most advanced AI can fail unpredictably or be misused. Security vulnerabilities, system errors, and unforeseen consequences could undermine trust and slow adoption. Staying ahead in AI requires not just innovation, but careful oversight and resilience planning. These challenges are real, but they also define who will win the AI race. Success belongs not only to those who innovate fastest, but to those who navigate risk wisely, build trust, and anticipate the societal impact of their choices. As the AI race accelerates in 2025, one thing is clear. Winning isn't just about being first. It's about being smart, responsible, and forward-thinking. The leaders in this race are those who combine innovation with strategy, talent with ethics, and ambition with foresight. From nations to corporations to individuals, the path to AI supremacy requires a balance of speed and caution. Innovation without ethical guidance risks societal harm. Talent without opportunity is wasted. Partnerships without clear goals can stall progress. The true supercompetitors are those who see the big picture and act decisively while navigating complexity. But perhaps the most important lesson is this: AI doesn't exist in a vacuum. It reflects our priorities, values, and choices. Winning the AI race isn't just about dominating markets or technology. It's about shaping a future where AI serves humanity, drives progress, and empowers people rather than replaces them. So as we watch the race unfold, remember that the super competitors aren't necessarily the ones with the largest budgets or the flashiest technology. They are the ones who innovate responsibly, learn continuously, adapt quickly, and use AI to create value for everyone. The AI race of 2025 is a mirror of our collective intelligence, creativity, and responsibility. By understanding the stakes, embracing innovation, and leading with ethics, we can all position ourselves to thrive in this new era. The question isn't just who will win the AI race, but how we will shape the future together.